Hey Nash, what should we make?
We need more dishes people can bring to New Year's parties and whatnot. Let's make pigs in a blanket with some dipping sauces.
All right, let's make pigs in a blanket. Coming at you with another dish that would be perfect for a holiday party, New Year's Eve party, or any gathering where you want some finger foods or some appetizer type stuff. This is gonna be probably familiar to most people, and it's a super duper easy recipe. We're gonna do a couple of things to elevate it, but not much. It's super easy and people love it. So today, we're gonna make little pigs in a blanket. Without further ado, let's go. All right, so we preheat our oven to 375. Let me take us some little crescent dough deals. Find the seam, unroll our little guy here. Oh, we got a broken one. That's no fun. So you can see we got all these little triangles. So let's separate them into those triangles. So here we got one triangle, and then we want to make this into three. So we got three long, skinny triangles. Then we take our one triangle and a little cocktail weenie, and we just roll this guy up. And then we put it over here on our little rack. And then we just wash, rinse, and repeat, folks. And we got these guys. So now we're just gonna brush them with some melted butter. You do wanna make sure they're not touching because the crescent dough will expand a little bit. And then just sprinkle them with a little bit of coarse salt or some flaky finishing salt. And then we bake them at 375 for about 15 minutes. And here's our guys right out of the oven. Now we're gonna let them cool. And then we're gonna make our dipping sauces. First sauce we're gonna make is our creamy honey mustard. So to a bowl, we add 1/3 cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons yellow mustard, 1 tablespoon Dijon, and a tablespoon of honey. And then we just whisk this together. And there's our creamy honey mustard. All right, now let's make a sriracha of mayo. So about 1/3 cup of mayo, a few tablespoons of sriracha. I would say 1 to 3 depending on your heat tolerance. Teaspoon of minced garlic, a little bit of lemon zest, a little bit of lemon juice, and for a little extra kick, 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne. And then we whisk this together. And the last one is we'll make like a fry sauce, similar like Big Mac sauce or In-N-Out special sauce. Basically, it's gonna be a mixture of ketchup, mayo, mustard, relish, and then we're gonna add a few other things. So start with about 1/3 cup of mayonnaise, tablespoon of mustard, a few tablespoons of ketchup, a little bit of relish, about a teaspoon of minced garlic, a teaspoon of horseradish, and a few dashes of Worcestershire. And then we whisk this up. And there's our beautiful little pigs in a blanket. Time for a bite. Cheers. I mean, it's a delicious classic pigs in a blanket. You got your pillowy crescent dough crust with a little smoky in there. It's just freaking delicious. It's a crowd-pleasing, age-old appetizer that is an evergreen, if you will. But hey, let's try some of these dipping sauces. So we got honey mustard, sriracha mayo, and our fry sauce. They're all really good. I think it just depends on my mood. Right now, I'd say maybe the honey mustard is my favorite. They're all winners. And you could do like a buffalo sauce or a barbecue sauce or a garlic parmesan sauce. I mean, the possibilities are endless, but this is a great, especially if you got like a New Year's party or like, hey, the Super Bowl's coming up, great thing to serve at anything like that. You're having people over. If you got to go to a party, you got to go to a potluck and bring something. This is super easy and delicious, and everybody loves it. But hey, let's see what Nash thinks. Hey, bud, how you doing? Well, look, we got these little pigs in a blanket that you requested. Well, here you go. What do you think?
That's freaking delicious. Little bites of goodness going down into my bottomless pit of a belly.
Anything you'd like to say to your fans?
A diamond with a flaw is better than a common stone that is perfect.
Nash approves. I approve. Look, another great dish to bring to a party, serve at your own party, serve to friends, or hey, just make for your kids or yourself, whatever. Do what you want to do. But definitely 10 out of 10, would highly recommend. Hey, thank you all so much for watching. Really appreciate you all. Love you all. If you wouldn't mind taking a second to like, share, and subscribe, that would help us out. We'd really appreciate that as well. If you want notifications every time we drop a new video, go ahead and hit that notification bell. If there's anything you want me to make, you want me and Nash to taste, go ahead and drop that down in the comments. Or head over to our website, timschaoskitchen.com. Send us a message there. And hey, just remember, cook more, eat better, embrace the chaos. That's it for now, folks. Hey, Happy New Year to you and yours. And until next time, peace.